Alright, so today we're going to do our second day of our roller coaster lab. So go ahead and open your Google Doc. And we're going to do 3 different coasters today. The first one I want you to do is with just hills. The second hill must be taller than the first. If you would draw your finished coaster, take a picture of it, and then upload it to this slide, that would be fantastic. Run your experiment with each marble. Use the glass, the wood, and the steel at different times on your track. I would run it probably 2-3 times a piece. Make notes below on how it went. Did your marble fall off? Did you have issues with any points in your track? How did it go? Things went smoothly. They're going to be different between the 3 marbles. So go ahead and write that in this. And then answer this question here about how well you think it worked. And then I want you to change your roller coaster to have a taller first hill instead of a second hill. Run your marbles again and at least once, and then figure out if that changed your results at all, and then write that here. Your second coaster is going to have a loop, so go ahead and draw your finished coaster again and design one out, and then upload that picture. Run your experiment again, just like you did for the first one. Describe how it went. It's pretty easy in terms of data today. It's going to be pretty subjective. There's no timing of anything, so it should be relatively easy. And then I want you to design one with 3 hills and 1 loop. So go ahead and repeat that with this one. Run your experiment again, and then there's some conclusion questions at the end. When you are finished, go ahead and come back to the assignment, click on the My Document that you'll have on your second tab here, and then go over to the right and click Submit. Have a fantastic day.